So I've always had an interest in health and I was interested in chemistry as well. So that's why I decided to undertake a degree in pharmacy. My research as a pharmaceutical scientist can also help people on a more global scale. So if we can create better medicines that are more effective, then we can help a lot of people to overcome various different illnesses.
My graduate research has enabled me to work in a multidisciplinary group where I learned a lot of new techniques from the chemists, biologists and pharmacologists in the group. We also collaborate from researchers all over the world in Australia, China, US and the UK.
I knew UniSA had all the lead researchers in this area that I wanted to work with, but I also knew that UniSA was going to help me to prepare for a career after PhD. In particular, the Engaged PhD program, which is helping me to learn the additional skills outside of my research project that I'll need for a career in academia.
One of the greatest things of doing the PhD at UniSA is the support that the unit gives in terms of supervision and making sure that the product that comes out in the end is of good quality, and also just sponsoring me to get an opportunity to present my work at national and international conferences.
I have been always inspired by the intelligence, dedication and motivation and exciting research outcomes of people working in the science area. And now I am more inspired by the thought or the prospect of taking some of our laboratory findings into the clinic for the benefit of the patient.
So I've felt really supported here as an early career researcher at UniSA. As part of our research group, we're fortunate to have very strong leadership and mentorship that's provided guidance and advice along my early career so far. This year I've also been fortunate to be part of the university's early career researcher program. So as part of that program, I've been able to network with other early career researchers and meet people around the university to look at how I can plan my future research career.
So next year I'll have the opportunity to take my research to an international conference, so to present some of the preliminary findings, but also the chance to collaborate with so many different people here at UniSA, but also Australia-wide.
And something really cool that happened was last year I was offered an Endeavour postgraduate scholarship by the Australian government, and that's basically going to allow me to travel to Copenhagen this year and undertake some studies at a pharmaceutical company there, which will form part of my PhD and be a really awesome opportunity to, I guess, grow and become a better researcher.